So let's talk about the Facebook funnel trifecta: social media, engagement, and funnel. So what's social media to focus on? That's step number one. Well, there's different types of social media out there. There's Pinterest with its 150 million active users per month. There's Twitter with its 320 million active users per month. YouTube with its billion active users per month. Instagram, yes, I know it's lower, 800 million active users per month. And Facebook, your 2 billion active users per month. I'm going to be focusing on the last two because they're part of Facebook, and that's my focus. But what you're going to find is that if you decide to use Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, or what else is out there, Vine, and all these other great places, you're going to be able to capitalize on them as well. But it's step by step. So why do you need social media marketing? Let's get that out the way first. That is where the attention is. Everyone is on social media. Number two, social media, you can connect with the people that you're buying from. You can talk to them one-on-one, have a conversation, jump onto Facebook Messenger, jump onto your phone, jump onto your email, jump onto getting on the train or the plane or wherever it may be and going and seeing them. And that's so important. You can start with social media and it can take you to that next level of customer. Then, number three, they can comment. You as a business get to hear their opinion. You get their feedback. You're able to interact one-on-one with your consumers. You haven't been able to do that in the past really until social media came around. It was just a website. It was just email with just a reply button. Now, with social media and how it's evolved with things like Instagram and Facebook, things are so different. And when people like your product or service, they share it. That is the biggest part as you're getting free advertising. Imagine creating great content and 10 people sharing it, and then they share those to 10 people, and so on and so on. You can have a big following very, very quickly. Or even if it's just 5-6 people sharing it today, then tomorrow you produce another piece of content, and next week you produce another piece of content, and you're constantly producing content. You're getting your name out there. It's basically bits of information that are getting out there, and years from now, you'll have all that traffic from what you've been accumulating. It's about leveraging social media to increase revenue for your business. And the bottom line is that's all about increasing sales, increasing revenue, simply by leveraging social media to increase your revenue for your business. And that's the goal of this presentation, is to show you how you can do that. Studies show that it takes at least 3 times of seeing something to remember it. You know, if you're in the car, you're heading down the motorway, you're off on the way to Bournemouth or to Manchester, wherever you're going, and you see advertising signs along the way. That's okay, but they're forgettable. It's just like newspapers. You see an advert in the Metro or in the Daily Mail as you're sitting on the tube, or you're going somewhere, or even if you're online and you see these ads, you forget them and you just forget what they're all about. But if you've seen an ad or a similar ad for a business in a day, again and again and again, you're going to remember that. And that's what this is all about. It's about getting into people's faces. It's not about running an ad campaign today and then switching it off for a month. It's about constantly being in people's faces with who you are, what you stand for, what you do, and what you're all about. Now, I love Eggs Benedict, and I think this is just a fun story. I was thinking about this morning, and I mean, I love my local cafe just here in Ealing. I live in West London in Ealing, and I like to go for a stroll in the morning, get the legs moving, get the body moving, and just go for a nice walk and enjoy the day. And I love my food. If anyone's met me, they know I love my food. And as healthy or unhealthy as you think of Eggs Benedict, it's what I love. And I love to pop out a couple of times a week and grab myself an Eggs Benedict. It's just a great one in Ealing. And I'm always posting about this. My friends, I'm sharing with them about what I love, and when they see me talking about eggs Benedict, it comes into their mind. They might not be planning for an eggs Benedict, but it comes into their mind, and that's what this is all about. It's friends sharing with friends, sharing with friends. And eggs everywhere. You can replace the word eggs with anything everywhere. Now, you're posting your pictures, your video clips. In this example, I'm sharing something from a menu that I love. Some great food, and I'm just getting it out there. I'm putting it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. It's the same thing. Now, imagine that you were a business and that you were looking to share how it all works. What could you do to get your eggs Benedict out there? Well, there is Facebook. It's 2 billion active monthly users.